So in this session, we will see how to create drawing details. Okay, we'll see how to create drawing details. To create a drawing details, 3D model. Have your 3D model open? Then click on File, New Drawing, and following menus will be open. Okay, we'll see this one by one. How to create drawing details. Okay, so we'll close this. Go to New. Then we will create a new drawing here. Give the file name you can change here. Click on OK, and you can use a template here. So if you want to use any A3, A2, these are the templates, so you can change it. Okay, just click OK. So you can see this here, recent drawing that has been saved already open. So you want to delete it, go to drawing models, delete model. You can delete the model from here. Okay, and delete it. Okay, so okay, so you just delete here. Here I have to done it. Go to here, just delete this. Okay, so sheet has been deleted here. Go to delete model and delete it. So this is how you can delete the model from the these drawing sheets. Okay, if you want to create a new model, go to drawing models, then a menu manager, add model, and just add this model here. Okay, just say done. Model has been added in navigation tree. Go to general view. If you want all the views, you can default all use, default all. So now combine view state. Okay, just click OK. Just wherever you want to add the views, go to views, then drawing view pop-up will appear. Then in this, whichever model view you want, you can just simply create it. So I want back from bottom. Okay, so I want top view. I will also change here. You can change here name, top view. Okay, you can also change it. We have seen this in last lecture. Okay, so apply. Okay, and create a. So if you want to edit this view, just click on it, edit, and you can edit the visibility area, then sections, view states, view display, and change it from here. Just click OK. So this is how you can change the display area. You can create a detail view just like we have seen in the last lecture. Just click the edge, then whichever area you want to create a detail view, you can create it, and press the scroll wheel to end the selection. Just click on wherever in the sheet you want, and the detail area will be created. So this is the detail area. Okay, if you want to create projection, you can create it. So this is how you can create drawing details. Okay, so we'll see how to create showing a bill of material. You create this. Okay, so you can generate a BOM, bill of material report, in a part of two part list designated parameters, attributes, and objects in the part. A typical case is to generate a bill of material of the designated bodies in a part. First is to make items available for inclusion in the BOM report. Designate the item. Click model, then model intent, designate. The designate dialog box opens. Then go to the define context, which items you designate. Under the look-in, select the type from the list. For example, to designate body, select a body. To select item, select object. Click on the object tab, and under the add item section, select the types of object to add. For example, a body. Click a prompt opens. Then in the model tree or graphics window, hold down the control key, and while you select the object designate, click OK in the prompt box. So you can click the parameter tables, then select an item, and in the designate column list, select the parameters to designate, click OK, and designate dialog box closes. So click tools and bill of materials to access the bill of materials. The bill of material reports opens, and you can customize the form in this space. Okay, customize format for a particular form of presentation and content. Use drawing report tables to create bill of material in table format in drawings. Okay, so this is how you can create a projection. You can there is also, you will see this how to create add table in the section. Okay, See this how to add tables. We will see this in the next section. How to annotate, how to add dimensions to the model. Okay, we'll see this one by one. Okay, this is how you can add dimensions. We'll see this one by one. How to add a sketch here. Okay, so in today's session we have seen how to add drawing details and we have studied the bill of material, how to create a bill of material. Okay, so just try to see this one by one in the next section. Okay, so that's all for today's guys. Thank you.